When you hear that, my viewers, gunman murder dancehall artist Coyote family a hungry town. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Yeah? Subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Gary, a driving tutor from Mandeville drop out. Plus 19 people left homeless at Barbican. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna know where I go on. Pre this.
Up fire, I go on wicked. And we couldn't save nothing. Everything fried. Jump the wall, we escape, and the next one I try to do the same thing with me right now. I'm there in the hospital with them foot broke and 4-degree burn.
Everything get destroyed. Papers, clothes, everything. Right now, barefoot. Barefoot me come out. When you see me now right now, I just this. Nothing else. So John know.
I am here as their representative to see how best I can help. I am waiting on the Member of Parliament to come by where we can see how best we can get them some relief. I know the Poor Relief Department of the KSAMC is on their way here to assess and to see how best they can get them some things like mattress, food and those other things. Those at their house were damaged but not burned down flat. We will see how best we can get them some material in the day here to see how they can, put something together. So tonight they can sleep a little bit.
When you hear that, my viewers, so 19 people left homeless at Barbican after the tenement yard where them did live in go up in flames. And you gonna tell me say nobody no know what caused this? Was it a case because of bridging light? Or somebody left something up on the stove and never remember it? And the whole tenement yard just gone up in flames? My viewers, most of the time when you see things that happen like this, is either gunman burn out the people them, or is either the government want get rid of the people them, is either remember that this thing not just random. So when you hear that, see it now, 19 people left homeless. Where the people them are go sleep? Where Salvation Army there? Them not help the people them. Where the councillor them there? Where the MP them there? We not go help the people them. We better go help the people them. Cause we don't want the people them vote you so quick and fast on run got the people them foot. So right now, the people them a Barbican need 19 of them homeless. Them can't sleep a road. Yeah, the man a say him not have nothing. Only the slippers where they pan him foot him have. So my people, walk with me and now. See that man you wanna see on the screen. Gary Rowe from Mandeville. Him drop out, And you see Gary Rowe, him is a popular man at Mandeville. You see when you don't know for drive and you want to learn for drive, a Gary you go link. Them man you the driving tutor down at Mandeville. And as we may always tell nobody no know when I feed them time, You think Gary did know say yesterday I feed him time? No, the man just wake up, feel sick, and drop out, me I tell you now. So see me, my viewers, Gary Rowe, my condolences to him family them. So no see that youth you wanna see on the screen. A dancehall artist Coyote family and gunman pull up on him foot in a Toyota Axia hungry town and bust out him head. And on have to ask if the youth you did involve in the badness. Them youth you did a run up and down with all iron in them hand and a fight war till see it now. Tell the ghetto youth them a two-way out of badness. Dead house or jail house. So my people, most of them dancehall artists them not go learn, Them a go keep on repeat over the same cycle again, Cause you see most of them a run down power and them a run down dance ship. So most of them a fun war. And them a buy the 9 ball and the 45 ball them, And them a fund the dance and the general them, You no remember say most Dan boy a broke pocket Dan. Beggy Dan. If I never for the MP them or them friend them a foreign, white squall with a name the whole of them. So the dancehall artists them a par with one bag of gunman a put money into badness and see it Like you never hear say no loyalty in a badness. Like you never hear say friend a go turn enemy in a badness. You never know say badness is a using thing and no war now win boy till see it killer them pull up a dancehall artist Kyodi family foot. A hungry town and bust out him head brawling. Some viewers know what I do on their road. Protect on 3 points. See the corner settings there and them bar settings there. A dead settings them there. Remember that. See it here. School they even lock yet. And it's a bloody summer already. People them a fear living at them house. A peep through grill. Like them dep on cell block. So as what I say, the youth you wanna see on the screen. A him gunman murder in a hungry town. Pull up on him foot in a Toyota Axio. And bust out him head and dig off. And me and you say a Coyote family. So until next time, my people. You see me?
I go on wicked. I couldn't save nothing. Everything fried. Jump the wall, escape, and the next one I try do the same thing with me right now. And then in the hospital with them foot broke. A 4-degree burn.
Everything get destroyed. Papers, clothes, everything. Right now, barefoot. Barefoot me come out. When you see me right now, I just this. Nothing else. So John know.